ilizwe lakiwa ikulegelwe ilizwe inatibirirwe yachengetetwa yashangirwe inatibirirwe yachengetetwa yashangirwe John Apostle Pick up on principle John Apostle Pick up on principle Empower the youth, secure the future, say no to drugs.
My name is Rosi Mushu. And I am going to tell you because I'm going to say, please, you and I tell us on that. I say, not that you get there with some of my mother, but I used to say, I don't want to do that. Oh, I know you, Maraita, Naka, now